Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to show discounted price on product page on Shopify. Let's get started. So what you can do in order to do that is to head over in here on your products. Now under your products right here, you should be able to see all the products that you have on your actual store. So for example, for me, I want to change the discounted price of this t-shirt right here. So what we can do is you can just head over and click on that specific item. Now it will open this edit page wherein you can put your title, the description, the media, variants that you have available, as well as the price for each variant. So you can head over and then add specific things like for example price in here and as well as total inventory and all of these things that you have. So head over and click on edit in here and you should be able to see in here the variant editing processes that you have in here. So on this product, they have a variant. You should see that we don't have in here the discounted price option. So what you can do is you can head back and you can actually just head over and add a new product. So let's click on this add product right here. And then let's actually name it Blue Polo. So let's name it that. And then in here, we just need to put in here a description that you want. And let's try to use it using the AI. So let's just put in here Blue Polo. Then let's generate in here an item description. Now click on keep right here in order to put that. And then in here we can upload a media. So let's try to upload in here a media. Let's add this. And as you can see, it will upload the file. So for example, our actual price for this is 500. So you can see that we have this compare at price right here, which is an option. So for example, let's put in here 750. So this will actually make this price right here discounted. So if you hover over this question mark, you can display a markdown. You just need to enter a value higher than your price, often shown with a strike through. So for example, let's also fill this up just like this. And for this one, let's head over and then track a quantity and then put 100 quantities right here. Now let's save this progress right here for now. You can still edit it out later if you want. Now, once you have saved that, let's preview what it will look like. So once you have previewed that, as you can see, there's a strike through. So this is a discounted price for this specific product. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.